Hello, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's Judith. So today we'll be going to comparing numbers. Today we'll be learning how to make use of the equal sign, the less than sign, and the greater than sign. The less than sign is used when a number is less than or when a number is smaller. Less than means smaller than. Greater than can also be bigger than or larger than, so it's still the same thing. So today we'll be learning on how to make use of the equal sign, the less than sign, and the greater than sign. So the first sign we'll be looking at is the less than sign. So this is the less than sign. Looking at me, hi, less than sign. Now, in trying to use your less than sign, you should make sure that the point like arrow is facing the smaller number. So whenever you want to use the less than sign, the point like arrow should be facing the smaller number. Why? The wide end is facing the larger number. So this is the the position of a less than sign. The arrow-like side will be facing the smaller number, while the wide edge side will be facing the bigger number. So this is an instance. We have 23 and 28. So we know that 23 is lesser than, we know that 23 is lesser than or smaller than 28. So we'll be making use of the less than sign. So let me show you what I mean. If you look at this, you see that the wider end is facing the bigger number. So the wider end is facing the bigger number, while the point like arrow is facing the smaller number. So whenever you want to use your signs, the less than sign or the greater than sign, just make sure that the arrow end is facing the smaller number, while the open end is facing the bigger number. So this simply means that 23 is less than 28. So the next sign we have here is the greater than sign. Just like I said in the less than sign, whenever you are making use of the less than or the greater than sign, the wide end should be facing your bigger number, while the points like arrow should be facing your smaller number. Very simple. That is how to navigate your sign, whether less than or whether greater than. For example, we have 50 and 28. So we know that 50 is bigger than 28. So we are using the greater than sign. So the greater than sign or any sign, whether the greater than or less than, just make sure that the open end is facing the bigger number and the arrow point is facing the smaller number. This is what I mean. And this exactly, so this simply means that 50 is greater than 28. So the last sign we have for today is the equal sign. The equal sign is used when two numbers are equal. When the number you have at the right hand side is the same as the number you have on your left hand side. So we use the equal sign. For example, we have 60 and 60. So we have 60 on the right hand side and 60 on the left hand side. Therefore, these two numbers are equal. They are equal, meaning they are the same. So my class doesn't end with an assessment, so I would love you to try this assessment. This one is the easy peasy part. This is for grade 1, grade 2. So we have 9 and 7, 23 and 25, and the instruction is we should state the correct symbol that suits in the following box. A and 9 and 7. I'll do the first one. So 9 and 7, we know that 9 is greater than 7. So we'll be making use of the greater than sign, which is C. And C is correct because if you should use the C, the open end is facing the 9 and the arrow point is facing the 7. So C is correct. So similarly, 23, a box, there we have a 25. So 23 is less than 25. So we're making use of B because if you place B in the box, the smaller part will be facing, the arrow part will be facing the 23 and the open end part will be facing the 25. So this is my assessment number 1. This is the easy peasy part of the assessment. Then we also have this. This is the 3 digits, and we have the last one. This one have to make you calculate so that you can get your answer. So I want to know if you did the assignment. The assignment you did, is it the easy, is it the intermediate, or the advanced? So thank you and see you next time. Bye. It's still Judith, and always come to your mass abode whenever you find anything difficult. So bye.